kuphila. Wena uyisinkwa esisindisayo. Wena uligazi elasisindisa. Wena siphethu sentokozo yethu. Wena uyisinkwa esisondlayo. Wena uligazi eliqeda ukoma kwethu. Wena uyisinkwa esisiduduzayo. Wena uyisinkwa esisinika amandla. Wena uyisinkwa esisiphilisayo emzimbeni nasengqondweni. The response, the same salutations, but now in English the response is, Glory to you, O Lord. Response?
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the living bread.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the saving bread.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the cause of our joy.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the bread which gives nourishment.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the precious blood which ends our thirst.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the bread of consolation.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the bread which gives us strength.
Glory to you, O Lord.
You are the bread which gives us life in body and in mind.
Glory to you,